What's going on, you guys? Maurice here. Welcome back to my channel. Right now it's Sunday. I'm out here in Pennsylvania, and guess what? It's snowing. Let me get out. Yeah, once again I am in the snow. It's February. What it is? February 22nd right now, and it's still out here snowing. I guess that's how it is up north. But right now, man, you know, I'm finna get ready to go to a fuel stop in New Jersey. The route is kind of crazy. I don't know how it works up this way, but I gotta go to New Jersey to put fuel in my truck. And after I put the fuel in my truck, I gotta come back to Pennsylvania to drop off a trailer. Then I gotta bobtail to another spot in Pennsylvania to pick up a trailer to go pick up another empty trailer to go to my next pickup location that I have to drop off tomorrow. So I really got a lot going on, you know what I'm saying? And today is just gonna be a snow video day. So everything I'm gonna have to do gonna be in the snow. I'm gonna record everything, let y'all see what I do, how I work while it's out here snowing. It's not even that cold, honestly. You know what I'm saying? But the snow is sticking. But yeah, man, I'm finna get ready to get in my truck. I already done my pre-trip and everything. I already done bought my snacks and everything. And I'm just ready to roll. So I'm gonna get back with you guys. Okay, you guys, I have made it to my fuel stop location. Now I'm about to get out, get ready to fill up my tanks. Now let me show y'all some of the little problems I run into sometimes when I'm doing this. So on here we gotta type in different things, like I gotta type in my truck number. So my truck number starts with a 2. And as you can see, the 2 is busted and it don't even work. So that means I gotta go inside here and ask them to do it for me inside the truck stop. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's not a major problem, but it's just like, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I run into these small delays that like kind of set me back, you know what I'm saying, for moving how I want to move. But yeah, so let me go in here and have them set it for me from the inside. While I'm fueling up, I just want to say I hope everybody having a great day, man. You know what I'm saying? Hope everybody's staying safe out there. You know, hope everybody doing whatever it takes to be doing. Well, it's a Sunday, so I hope people relaxing. They trying to reset, regroup, and prepare for the new week. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be a new week, new beginnings, man. You know, I want everybody to grind hard. I want everybody to be successful. I want everybody to achieve the goals they're trying to achieve, dog. Not only me, I know I'm going to reach my goals. I know we all are, man. But, and then, like that little extra push to get you going. You know what I'm saying? Because we all need it, man. You know, I see a lot of things going on in the world with people committing suicide, with people going homeless, you know what I'm saying, going bankrupt, man. It's just a lot of things going on in the world, man. And I just be trying to, you know, remain positive. And I be trying to keep people positive. But, you know, we all need it, man. You know, everybody got their own struggles. Everybody got things they going through, dog. You know, so you never know. Anything you can say can be something to make somebody that want to keep pushing. You can make somebody want to, you know, keep pushing, not commit suicide, not go do something that's going to mess up their life forever. You know what I'm saying? Not go do something that's going to hurt a friend or hurt a family member, man. So, you know, try to remain positive, dog, because better days are coming. You never know when they're coming. Like I said, just because today bad don't mean tomorrow going to be bad. And just because tomorrow going to be good don't mean the next day going to be good. But, hey, you got to push through every moment. Push through every moment, every bad day, every good day. And just remain positive each time. Okay, you guys, I made it to my drop-off location. Now I'm about to find a spot to where I have to drop my trailer off at, and then I'm gonna drop it, and then I'm gonna bobtail out. Okay, you guys, so I found the spot, so I'm gonna get ready to bike into it. Okay, as you can see, I don't bite in my spot, you know what I'm saying? Now it's time for me to just drop it and get ready to head out. Man, some little dirty water done got on my face, man. Done got on my jacket. It's all good, man. Ain't nothing wrong with getting a little dirty. But yeah, man, now it's time for me to disconnect from a trailer. Okay, you guys, like I said, I'm gonna be bobtailing out. So that means I ain't gonna pick up no trailer. And I'm finna get ready to head to my next location. And I'm gonna have to pick up an empty trailer there. I just had to bring a trailer here because they had a deficit of trailers. So we were just, spotting them one. Just spotting them empty. But yeah, so I'm finna get ready to head to my next location. So I'll get back with you guys when I get there. Okay, you guys, as you can see, it's snowing out here. But still got work to do, so I found me an empty trailer. Now I'm just finna bike up under it and hook it up. So let's get to it. Okay, you guys, so now I got my empty. Now I just gotta put it in my tablet that I picked up my empty, then get ready to head up to my next location where I gotta pick up this load at. Okay, you guys, I finally made it to my pickup location. Look, it's still snowing out here. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna get ready to bike up into this spot right here. My truck is over there. Okay, I got it off in now. Now it's time to drop and hook. Drop this one and go hook up to my loader one. Okay, now I'm just looking for the trailer I gotta pick up. It's already loaded and ready to go. Now I just gotta locate it. Let's see, that ain't it. That ain't it. Drive down a little more, I'll find it soon. That ain't it. Keep on rolling until I can find the truck. Is that? Nope, that ain't it. There it is. 212154. Now I just gotta hook up to it. Okay, you guys, I done hooked up to my loaded trailer. I ran into a problem while I was hooking up to it, man. The people, I guess they broke the crank handle that lets my landing gear down. They broke the handle on it. So it was a struggle for me to let my landing gear up because the handle was broken. But, you know, I made it work. I got to it, and it's gonna be what it's gonna be. But now I just gotta look me up a truck stop to go to, the nearest one. Then I'm going to a truck stop. Then I'm gonna be done for the day. Okay, you guys, I'm finally parked for the night. It's been a long day. I wasn't able to find a truck stop to go to, but I was able to find a terminal to go to. So Swift, they have like different companies they're like partnered with and own and all these things. So I'm at a night terminal because, you know, Swift and Night, they like run with each other, I want to say, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'm at a night terminal for the night. I just ordered me some food, so it should be on the way here. Had a long day. It's a little cold out here, still snowing, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, I showed you a couple of things today, dropping and hooking in the snow and that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, these roads out here, they get a little nasty when it snow, but I made it here safely, and I'm grateful for that. And I just want to say I hope you guys have a great night, have a great day, stay blessed, and be positive, and remain humble, and do what you got to do to be great. And I'll holler at y'all.